The demands from business units for timely, authoritative information on your network and computing environment has reached critical status. The daily, weekly, monthly, and annual reporting needs are overwhelming your already swamped IT organization. Why is it critical to have automation as part of your CMDB? Is the information in your CMDB up to date? Is it usable by all groups and departments? Is the information accurate, and does your CMDB have room to grow? The problem with the majority of CMDB implementations is that organizations have not prioritized work and effort to keep the information in the CMDB current, usable, and accurate. This video is part of our series dedicated to different ways of improving your IT infrastructure management. Today we'll take a look at why organizations need to have a fully automated CMDB. The CMDB is a critical cog in a configuration management system, and it provides IT operations the ability to provide excellent level of service to the rest of the organization. What can an automated CMDB accomplish for your organization? By using automated discovery to continuously inspect, update, and report on your environment, your inventory tracking is always up to date. By detecting all the changes in your IT infrastructure, only authorized changes will be implemented, while unauthorized changes can be further evaluated. With the help of the application dependencies created by an automated CMDB, impact analysis scenarios can be used to assess weak points in your infrastructure and calculate the root cause of infrastructure or application failures. The application dependencies can also help in better understanding how certain applications depend on one another. By mapping the business services and knowing how applications depend on each other, the organization has a full understanding of its business services and the dependencies between them. The initial use cases of the CMDB were limited to a few tools that made use of the configuration data. In the case of service desks, to tie the service tickets to the actual infrastructure components that were referenced in those tickets. From an asset management perspective, the CMDB was used to keep track of the real-time infrastructure inventory and relating this information to an asset management tool. Today, the CMDB has evolved to become the central and most important part of a configuration management system. Because of the technology advances in keeping the configuration data current, accurate, and authoritative, yielding efficiencies in all tools using the information in the CMDB. Organizations that have automated their CMDB have many more significant stakeholders now, such as IT security, who have a need for information such as unauthorized change detection, rogue device and process detection, and impact analysis. IT operations departments have a need to correlate CMDB information to help determine root cause of problems, problem isolation, and event prioritization. Audit and compliance teams need to understand configuration drift, unplanned changes, and IT policy violations. With the help of an automated CMDB, your IT infrastructure configuration changes into reliable, actionable information that can be used by all departments. From a business service perspective, your organization has a full and accurate picture of dependencies between applications, yielding a better understanding of the business service impact. Through auto discovery, you always have an accurate picture of your environment, which helps you drive better business decisions. By integrating your automated CMDB with other management tools, all groups and departments become synchronized with the same version of infrastructure data. ConfigureTek combines methodology, experience, and best practices to help you automate your CMDB with a sense of time urgency. Let's look at our methodology in more detail. First, we assess the size of your environment and plan a CMDB system implementation based on your requirements. Once the CMDB is deployed and configured, the auto discovery is initiated, collecting detailed information about all the live devices in your network. Configuration policies are implemented to ensure your data is within acceptable levels necessary to operate your business services. Using auto-discovered data and being able to view communication between applications residing on your infrastructure, your organization's business services can be mapped to the discovered infrastructure components. This will give you a better understanding of your business services. Depending on the scope of your implementation, delivering an automated CMDB can take weeks instead of months or years. With an automated CMDB, the value of authoritative and current CMDB information is realized. All groups integrated in using the CMDB have the same version of truth. Service management teams can now associate the proper request or ticket with the current configuration item. Asset management teams can better plan and execute cost-related strategies. Security teams have the information they need to identify and resolve security issues. And IT operations teams can significantly reduce outages and maintain their service level agreements, and audit and compliance teams have the tools and reporting they need to meet or exceed audit requirements. There is real financial benefit that comes with having the same version of reliable data. For more information on how you can start the planning towards an automated CMDB, please contact us at ConfigureTek.com or call us at 1-800-987-8460.